Hello once again to our pronunciation tip class. Today's topic is on three-letter words. We're going to be concentrating on the letter A sound. The letter A sound in three-letter words. Now let's begin. Mat, mat, bat, bat, sad, sad, mad, mad, can, tan, tan, ram, fax, yam, fan, man, tag, sag, can, tag. If this is your first time, kindly follow us for more tips like this. Like and share for others to learn as well. If you've learned something from it, then we are very happy. Let's continue on our next class. I would like to use this opportunity to appreciate our students from LearnLight and Preply.com, and not forgetting NAPS Association of Proprietors of Private Schools. Well, that's just about the only last free video or audio clips we're going to be sharing with you. For more tips like this on pronunciation and comprehension reading, you've got to follow our page or subscribe to our YouTube page. Thank you for listening.